Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. I want to say thank you so much to everyone who's already subscribed. And now I know it's been a minute. I know it's been a minute since I recorded my last makeup tutorial, but I have a reason. The reason is I have been extremely busy. I have been a wife. I've been busy being a mother. I've been busy being a teacher, a coach, and a grad student. And yeah, I already listed all that. So anyway, yeah, I've been busy, okay? So now that I've gotten that out the way, let's talk about today's video. Today's video, it will be a day and nighttime, my day and nighttime routine when it comes to makeup. So let's get it done. I'm going to start first with my brows. I've already primed my face with makeup primer. And all the products I will use will be listed below. So, ladies and gents, all my makeup lovers, this is my finished daytime look. Again, my goal in the morning is to try to knock this out within 20 minutes. Usually takes me like 10 minutes to do my brows, but to do the whole look is like 20 minutes because I'm rushing. I literally live 30 minutes from my job, so time is of the essence, okay? But I don't want to leave the house without putting my makeup on either. So again, this look usually takes me about 20 minutes to do, and this is my finished day look. Now stay tuned for my nighttime look. Now it's time for my nighttime makeup routine. And I'll be doing a dark smoky purple eye with matching lipstick. When I do my, also let me just go ahead and say, I already did my foundation, I already did my brows and my cheeks. Okay, so right now you're just gonna see me focus on my eyes and my lips. All right, so first thing, this little trick I discovered as an African American woman with brown skin. This little trick, when you put it on your eyes, it helps really brighten up the eyeshadow. A lot of times when we put on color, it doesn't show up because our skin is so dark. So I'm just gonna put that on just a little bit before I put on my shadow. So like I said, I'm doing a dark purple eye first, and then I'm gonna put it in the crease a black color. So watch and see as this purple just pops. The purple is popping. You can actually see the purple. And the white is covered up. With that white base, honey, see, you can see that purple. I'm telling you, beforehand you couldn't see the purple. I want to take this over my entire eye. Okay, so then the next thing I'm going to do is use this black as my crease. Real simple. Nice dark smoky eye. Then I follow up with liner. Now if you want to be real big and bad, you want to put on fake lashes, but today I'm just doing mascara. But before I do that, I'm going to line the bottom of my eye with this gorgeous purple color. Now it's time for mascara. I'll do another video on fake lashes another time. Another thing I like to do is add a little pop to my nose, a little piece of highlighter. I'm just using my finger. Just to highlight the tip of my nose, just a little bit. And last is my lips. Always put a liner on, ladies. And we're not in the 90s anymore, so don't use dark brown or black. Don't do that. Finishing up with my color. And yes, this look is very dark, but again, it's my nighttime look. Me personally, I probably would have like a nude lip with a to contrast the dark eye. But again, today I'm going with something totally different, more darky vampy look. And this is my finished look. Now, I just want to give a few shout outs before I end this video. I want to give a shout out to my awesome hairstylist. Her name is Tasha at Salon Kay in Burlington. And to my wonderful husband, who is my videographer and film editor. I want to thank you for watching. I would like to ask that you subscribe and like this video. And look for more to come. Again, I want to do a lash video. There's some other videos that I have in store. So turn on your notifications when you subscribe, and you'll see when a new video pops up. Again, thank you for watching this day and night makeup tutorial. Bye-bye.